Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to set our stop loss and take profits on the MT5 trading platform. To set our stop loss and take profit can be done in two ways: while entering the trade or after a trade has been executed. Now we're going to enter a trade now via the new order button. Then we are going to be entering a sell position. So the first thing you do here is to set your volume. After you're done setting your volume, you can also set your stop loss and take profit via these boxes. Now we are going to be taking a sell position, so our stop loss will be above while our take profit will be below. Then we can click on sell. Okay, now you can see, go to our trading window, you can see our stop loss sign here and our take profit sign here. And if you move to the trading window, you can see this red dotted line representing our stop loss and our take profits while our trade is still on. You can also take a stop loss, set your stop loss and also set your take profit in by another way. Now let's enter a trade. Let's take a trade, a new order. We click on the sell position. That's we are entering a stop loss and take profit when we have already placed a trade. Now how do we do this? We go to the trade that you already placed, the USD card here. Then you right click, then you will see some icons that popped up here that shows there's a modify or delete. You click on modify or delete. Then since it's a sell trade we took, our stop loss will be above while our take profit will be below. Then we click modify. You can see it here, our stop loss and take profit popped up on the window, your trading window. And you can also see the red dotted line representing the stop loss and the take profit. Now the last method how you can set your stop loss and take profit when you've already entered a trade. For example, we are entering a buy position. You just go to the green dotted lines to set your stop loss and a buy position that's in an uptrend. It's to drag it downward. That's your stop loss. Then also you go back to the green dotted line and you drag it upward. You have also placed or set your take profit, and you can see it there, showing there. Now remember that if you're setting your stop loss and take profit in a bullish condition, you're setting your stop loss in the bullish condition at the top, the higher level of a shooting star candle. I don't know if we can spot a shooting star candle here. Yes, this is an example of a shooting star candle. Then if you are setting your stop loss will be at the higher level of this shooting star candle. In a bearish condition, you set your stop loss at the low. This is an example of a hammer candle at the below here, the hammer candle. So if you have any question regarding how to set your stop loss or take profit, you can write me via the comment section. Thank you. Bye.
Listen up, Fetch is a beast and Sauce is an animal.